Hi, hello, my name is Twin. This is Capture Clicks. So, um, mag-unboxing tayo. This is something for yung gamit ko nga sa, in terms of video editing. Magano ko is, I've been trying to look for yung microphone that I would really like to use. Recently, kasi naghahanap na ako ng microphone na pwede kong gamitin. And currently nga, gumagamit ako ng lapel, which is okay. It's okay. Ang problem ko lang kasi sa lapel, it captures a lot of audio. Problem ko pa, meron pa akong electric fan na katabi, and naka-capture din yung audio na yun, and it's hard to remove that audio. So I've been looking into other things kung ano ba pwedeng gamitin, and ayun, naka-encounter ako ng isang possible na pwede kong gamitin na microphone. So, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng Comica. Wait. Binili ko sa Lazada. Is a Comica VM30. Comica VM30. Yung ano sa kanya. Yung model niya. I've been curious to try it out kasi nga ano sa kanya, it's supposed to be a wireless mic. So I am excited for that kasi kailangan ko talaga ng wireless mic. So I am looking forward to that. Tapos ang maganda nga doon is it's a shotgun mic. So mag-aano na ako, mag-set up na ako and to open. Kaka-deliver lang nito kanina kaya medyo talaga ako. I'm really excited to see how this goes. So, yan. Ito yung box. Whew. As in, this is the most expensive thing that I bought. Nabili ko siya... wait, tinga sa ano. Magkano siya? Nabili ko siya at 6,000 pesos. Currently, sabi ng Lazada, sa Lazada ko siya binili. Currently, naka-price siya at 8,180 pesos. Sabi daw dito is ang original price niya is 14,870 pesos. I don't know how authentic that is. Pero yeah, that's yun yung nakalagay dun. Yan. Gumagamit ko itong stencil cutter, and yeah. Sana wala akong masira kasi minsan-minsan pag ako nagbubukas ng ganito, may nasasira ako mga stuff. And of course, I hate that when that's happening. So, it took a while for me to get this. Medyo nainis nga ako kasi I was hoping to get this before mag-Toycon. Yeah. Apparently, hindi umabot sa time. Talagang ano siya, hindi umabot. I was hoping to use this kasi nga ang ingay sa Toycon. Sobrang ingay talaga. Grabe talaga yung ingay. So, yes. So, here it is. Ito ang wow, may ano pa siya. Wala kasi akong makita dito online. Wala akong makitang wala akong makita na ibang stores na nagbebenta nito. Binili ko siya sa direct store sa Lazada. And yeah, this is the first time I bought anything similar to this. Sabi nila it's really expensive to get something similar with a different brand. Sabi nga daw, wala pa nga daw any model na ibang brand that does the same. Yeah, you can make yung ibang brands wireless, pero it does take a lot of work. At the same time, the item itself is really expensive. Yung mismong mic itself is expensive. So, tingnan natin yung mga pricing ng shotgun mics na ibang more popular brands. Ayun, yung Rode sa Hendy's cameras is 14,000. yung NTG1. Meron din yung NTG3, 39,000. Ano pa bang iba? Of course, meron pang mga ibang mga mura. Pero ito lang yung alam kong wireless nga. Tingnan natin. Meron mga mura pero hindi rin ganito eh. Ano ba yung nakita ko? Yung iba kasi nakakable eh. Yun din, isang Rode na maliit. Video Mic Go 6,000. Pero alam ko, direkta to sa camera. Hindi wireless. Meron din isa dito, Trackstar. Mura lang, ako 1.5 lang nakalagay. Pero at the same time, it's wired. So, wala ako nakikitang ibang wireless dito with that same functionality. So, yan. Unbox na natin to. Merong ano natin? Picture. Dito sa harap, may yung, ito yung parang wireless receiver. Ito yung mismong mic. Tapos nakalagay dito, it's compatible sa computer, sa smartphone, and the camera. Yan, VM30. Tapos, nakalagay dito, wired or wireless mode. 48 kHz, 24-bit OLED screen, digital and analog output. Tapos meron dito Comica professional audio equipment. Tapos pinapakita niya wired mode. Nakalagay dito niya yung pag wired, yun yung nakikita natin na ibang model na most commonly used. Tapos sabi dito is pag wired siya, balita, it's 50 hours ang isang charge. By default, usually pag naka-wire, usually mga ibang mic wala nang kailangan na power, but this does require a bit of power. Pero 50 hours naman siya. So, alam mo yun, pag wired, halos di mo isipin kung kailangan mag-charge o hindi. It does need charge. Pero sabi pag wireless, sabi 7 hours daw ang usage, which is so it's a lot of time pa rin, I think. And sabi nila it is groundbreaking kasi this is the first time daw na wireless that's very functional. So pag wireless mode, gagamitin yung parang receiver niya, which is naka-illustrate dito. Ayan. Tapos nakalagay dito is intelligent power switch. Tapos low cut filter, stepless gain control, and real-time monitor. Okay, so buksan na natin. Meron ba ibang design dito? Wala dito, walang design dito. Tapos dito may handle siya, which is I like. Pero tingnan natin, buksan na natin siya. And pagkabukas sa kanya, it's a bag. And it's actually a thick bag. Anything outside, wala na. Ito siya. Ito ang box. So, ito na. This is it. Let's open. And okay. Ito. The manual. Dito. So, yeah, user manual. Merong QR code thingy there, may warranty card, tapos meron yung yung pangbukas dun sa I don't know, pang reset, I think. So ayan, manual. This is yung pang I can't remember what tawag dito, pero yun nga, it's shock mount, I think. Yeah, so pwede ito gamitin niya, pwede gamitin sa monitor. Sa monitor. Pwede gamitin sa camera. Yan. So, pwede siya sa DSLR or any form of camera mount. Yan. This one. Tapos, ito. This is yung receiver. So, the receiver, I think kailangan mo na i-charge yung mga to. USB-C, I think. USB-C yung niya. Yung mount niya, if I'm not mistaken. Merong LCD screen, merong screen dito. Tapos meron dito ang kapitan ng headphones. Which is good kasi para marinig kung tama ba yung audio na naririnig. Tapos may output Tapos power and may gain control. May gain control dito. May gain control. Ayun yung yun na to. Microphone. Ano ba? Microphone. Headphones. Tapos output. I think ito yung reset. May reset na hole dito. And gain. Tapos one clip. So yeah. Pang clip. Ito. Yeah. Parang stand para sa mic. And this is yung microphone itself. The microphone. Okay, may maliit na screen dito. Tapos, gain control dito. May gain control siya. Merong buttons dito, which is yung, I can't exactly say, kasi first time gagamitin. But ito, I think, pang palit ng modes. May nakalagay din na word the safety. Meron din yung wireless. I think ito yung magano ng wireless. Pero, ayun nga, kakapain ko pa to. USB plug. Output, I think, pwede pakinggan din dito yung ano, yung output. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. I need to look at the manual. Kung ano ginagawa niyan. So, pero this is the microphone. So, sa microphone, ganito ang pagkakintindi kong ginagawa sa kanya. Kakabit mo siya at position. Yan. Like this one. Tapos ito kakabit sa camera. Kailangan. Tapos pwede rin naman na nakalagay siya dito. Paano ba 'to? Hindi ko alam ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya ikakabit. Paano siya hindi nakaharang. Dito ba? O somewhere dito? Kailangan ba i-slide ba to or something? I don't know. Di pa ako gumagamit ito, so that's why I think I am confused. O sinasnap lang ba siya? Yeah, snapping is good. Tapos, I think this is a good position kasi wala nakaharang. Yan. Yan. Ganyan. I think that's a good position for the microphone. Tapos adjustment, ganyan. Ano ba bang kasama sa kanya? So, dito merong silica gel which is standard. Ito yung ano sa kanya? Yung parang cover. I can't remember pang ano. Yan. And meron din siyang kasamang dead cat. So, yan. May dead cat na kasama. Yung dead cat, alam ko, it's, ano, you have to cover it up. You know? Yan. So, para maiwasan yung wind. And maybe that will also help pag may electric fan akong katabi. Yeah, ganyan. So, yan yung ano. Ganyan yung mic pag ano, lalo na pag mahangin. Ganyan ang setup sa mic. Maybe siguro ganyan para kikita mo pa yung settings. Medyo nakaangat ang konti para kita yung settings sa ganyan. Ang worry ko lang dito pag hawak na ganyan, baka kung ano mapindot mo. Pero yun nga, that's something I have to try. I was really looking forward to try this out para during the ToyCon kasi maingay yung area. Tapos baka maya-maya mas maganda yung ganito kasi mas makafocus siya. Ang worry ko kasi doon, ang ingay talaga ng ano, ingay ng event. Okay, tapos ano pa ba to? Let us check it out. Wires. Ito yung ito yung para sa camera. Yung DSLR, I think, yeah. I think this is for the DSLR nga. So, one end goes to the one camera and one end goes to the sa DSLR. So, lagyan na natin yun dyan. Kasi yun naman talaga ang ulo. Tapos, next is ito. This one is for ano ba to? Wait. This is for phone. Ito yung phone. Oo nga, tama. Yeah, this is for the phone. Tapos ito yung para sa DSLR. Okay, tapos next is yung so this is that. This is for the phone, this is for the DSLR. And the last bag, mukhang tapo na tong maliit na plastic bags ito. This is for the computer. So cellphone or computer, okay. Cellphone and computer, gagamitin siya. So ito pang charge. So ito yung wire na kasama. So yeah, that's it. That's the package. Hindi ko pa alam kung pwede to na direkta sa iPhone or iPad. That's something that I have to test. But if that actually works, that's really convenient. Pero from what I understand, hindi. Feeling ko gagamit pa rin yata ng mobile ganito. I think kailangan gumamit pa rin yata ng ganitong cable. Yeah. Feeling ko nga gagamit ng ganitong cable pa. Yung mobile cable. Tapos kailangan ko ng adapter. Pero yeah. Ito pwede na daw direkta to. Yung pwede mo i-direkta to sa computer. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, meron siya kasamang naghanap ako ng ganito, yung ganitong klaseng strap na pwede kong pilihin. That's how it should supposed to work. I need to buy more of those. Yeah. I-charge ko pa siya para ma-testing ko. So in a sense, siguro I'll try to make a testing video or at least a review of this. I don't plan to use this for work. Kasi nga, currently I'm working sa barangay. Pero hindi ko ito gagamitin sa work. I really plan to use this for myself. Para nga sa sa mga personal projects ko. I am excited to use this. I am excited how this is gonna turn out. Hindi ko pa alam paano gamitin tong yung tong pangbalot na to. Pero anyway, ilagay ko lang muna siya dyan. Lagay ko muna siya dyan. Tapos ibalik ko muna yung mga wires and cables. Tapos charge ko siya mamaya. Oh no. Is it stuck? Hindi naman siguro. Yan. Daming buhok ng pambalot. Okay. So, nandyan. Lagay ko siya dyan. Pati ito. Sama-sama sila lahat dyan. And dito, sana natatandaan ko lahat ng paano siya kinakabit. Yeah, so far that's it. That's the entire thing. Tapos at na. Ang gusto ko dito sa kanya, it's really everything is handy kasi nasa bag siya na ganito. Pero yun nga, I might not use this for work. Just more for personal projects of mine. But yeah, I am excited for this. Kasi nga, ang ingay gamitin ng microphone na to. So, I am looking forward to use this. Sana lang talaga dumating siya, 2 or 3 days earlier para nagamit ko to sa Toycon. I was really looking forward to use this sa Toycon. Pero yeah, I am very, very happy na nakuha na siya. And I can't wait to use it. So yun. So that's my video. Thank you very much for your for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And nagkakadagdagan pa rin ako ng mga viewers. And I really, really thank you very much. Dumating to sa point ng nag-edit ako ng video. So medyo madidali ng konti yung video ko because nag-unbox muna ako nito. And yeah. Yung video na ginagawa ko ngayon, I'm working on the Toycon video, yung day 3 till Toycon. I did try making a video live last time, pero I was not happy with how it turned out kasi nga masyadong choppy, masyadong blurred out, tapos napuputol pa yung audio, so I wasn't really happy with that. Pero yun. Pero yeah, I was really looking forward to use this one for that event. Pero gamit ko tong Lano and it worked out fine naman. So in a sense, it wasn't so bad. Pero yeah. Anyway, so yun yung aking video. I really appreciate you watching. Nasa 490 plus na tayo. Ilan na ba? Tingnan natin yung channel natin. We are at 495 and konti na lang, mag-go 500 na. Pero still, medyo mababa pa yung viewing hours ko. I'm still working on improving my videos and hopefully sana dumami pa yung mga nanonood ng mga videos ko. Pero anyway, thank you very much. Wait, yung 495 pala is sa Pinividi Gamer. Sa wala pa. Sa aking channel na, itong bagong channel, wala pa. So, konti pa lang ang konti pa lang. Very, isa pa lang ang content. So, this is the second video. So, yun. Anyway, yung Pinividi Gamer ko, sana nga dumami pa yung mga manonood. Look forward for the Toycon video on that channel. And anyway, thank you very much. I really did appreciate it. You guys make this channel great. The more likes, the more views. Thank you very much. Anyway, take care. Guys, take care and bye-bye.